I think we're rolling. Yeah, we're rolling.
Dang.
Okay, weapon acquired.
Very good. It's like a place straight out of the movie scenes, bro.
You see the shopping cart picture?
Which picture?
Shopping cart.
Oh yeah, yeah.
If you want to kill people, right?
Yeah, bro, this is like the perfect murder place. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I became more like nature lover base after going infantry. Just that I fucking hate doing fire movement in these places.
fuck fire movement.
But the place is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, I like nature.
I just hate the stupid shit that SAF does in it.
Hell nah, hell nah.
Oh my god, this legit looks like some Discovery Channel thing eh.
If some fucking snake comes out, I am out.
There's a waterfall.
Yes, there is. There's one right here.
Small one right there.
Oh shit.
That's okay.
Yes.
Damn.
Oh my days, my entire face is covered. Because it's still...